Are you struggling with navigating the complexities of risk management? Unsure how to make the right decisions and avoid costly mistakes? Introducing the Risk Management Mentoring (RMM) program, led by Dr. Utomwen, an industry expert with decades of experience and unmatched credentials. Over 4 Saturdays in February 2025, this exclusive program will provide hands-on training in quantitative risk solutions, tailored guidance, and actionable insights for your business. Learn to identify and mitigate risks, make informed decisions, and elevate your operational efficiency, all with personalized mentorship. With only 15 spots available, this program ensures a personalized and immersive learning experience for each participant. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your approach to risk management. Secure your spot today and join the RMM program. Your future starts here.